Hold tight the girl them as well. Boom. 2 + 2 is.
Look at these right here. 160 for this KD. Damn! Pretty decent colors. Yeah, there's really nothing in here, but they got these. $79.99. They got these right here for $100. Everything's additional 30% off, but it's not really anything here, y'all. Oh, these are nice ones. Look what we got in the outlets, y'all. Not bad. 164. Some of these in here. Let's see what else we got. Yo, why is this Bob Ross shirt so flamey though? That's a 3X though. Sheesh. $8. That is nice. I like that. Size 13. What's that? Oh, 15. That's not bad. Big sizes. Got a Third Eye Blind tour shirt. Next to this, it's kind of cool little graphic. Roughneck. Look at that. Yo, straight golf shorts of legend. What? I kind of want these just to have these. I would never wear them though. Some more hockey jerseys in there. Just check these out. I just like the multiple laces it comes with. I will still use these laces for customs. I've never seen Tim's like this. This is different. What else we got here? There's some Asics zip-offs. Some more of these weird bands coming in. Oh wait, this is all in a guy's cart yesterday. I see he just dropped it off. Well, you know, you try to help people out, but let's see. Nothing else. I don't really see anything on this side. Let's go to the corner. Nothing over here. Kind of the same old, guys. Now it's getting close to Christmas, so the bangles got to be coming out real soon.
Winter is coming.
Don't you hate seeing that? You thinking it's a Jordan, but it's not. The Fila. Some more Vans. Let's cruise it over here. More Vans. Some Currys. It'll pick up soon. It will pick up soon. Check out this Team USA soccer jersey. Got the little patch right there. The Nike Dry Fit. Dempsey. Okay, I see you. That Nike Authentic at the bottom. Let's go. Lady shoes. I know y'all remember when these were like 2 for like 80 something. Everybody was rocking those back in the day. Adidas. Boot Game. Okay, I thought it was Coach. That is Guess. Some more Nike, some more Adidas. Puma. Ooh. Okay. They still rocking Jessica Simpson out there? Okay, those Guess boots are kind of hard. These dames? Ooh, these are dames. And the ladies. He's coming out some crazy because I think he just dropped his 7. Shout out to Dame. I feel like sometimes you get all the best stuff. Puma. Look at that. Nike Dry Fit. Look at that. Some more Nike on sale. Look at the Reebok. The rest of the Puma fit. Tommy. More Puma. Adidas. Gosh. And I see the leggings over there too. jacket season. Nautica, Tommy. I can't even get in here. More Tommy. What is this? Calvin Klein. More Tommy. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's X-ray, whatever that is. More Nautica. Ooh, this Lucky brand is actually pretty good. How much is this? Lucky brand's not really too expensive. $195? What the hell is the Burlington tag? Now I got to see. Don't tell me somebody swiped the Burlington tag. We will never know how much this is supposed to be. I'm low-key upset. This is $200 jacket. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I'm on a mission to find a duplicate of that so I can see how much is their tag, because I need to know. I don't know why. Let me just carry this around so I have a reference. I don't know why I need to know, but I just need to know. More Nautica. Look at that, Michael Kors. Look at that. $160, 50 bucks. Retail prices for stuff is just insane. That's why we don't pay retail right here. More Tommy, more Calvin Klein. Same old, same old. Nothing on this jacket. More Tommy. There's a whole bunch of Tommy Hilfiger in here. More Tommy. Ooh, members only. Okay, some Nautica. Bro, I gotta figure out how much this jacket is. What is this? Oh, members only. Ugh. It's craziness. No, I'm not gonna find it in this room. Wait, that looks similar. No, it's not. How much is this though? 24. Man. Let's see. More Calvin, Tommy. There's a little Reebok love there. Look at that. Yeah, this is the only jacket here. I have to find out how much this is. Figure out this is $39.99. Well, this is not a bad deal. $240. Not bad. So Puma sweater. I'll show some Reebok love. There you go. Reebok is not that bad. Barcelona. Michael Kors. Alright. Trying to see if there's anything else. Doesn't look like there's anything else, guys. But it is getting cold. Try fit. Some camo Nike Tech fleece for $30. And got some Adidas pants right here that would go dope with some Yeezys.
Halfway.
I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, you can't even see it. Hold on. But wow. I'm not even gonna lie. That would dope with some Yeezys. That might be all small sizes. Let's double check. Let's scan around. Nope, don't see none of it. Oh, I do see some Adidas racing shorts. We got the black ones. There's some Puma right here. Got a different colorway up there. Oh, look at these. But you know, I've never seen New Balance like this before. This is a first. Shout out to New Balance. I see these in the ladies, but I think these are misplaced. These are size 13. So, somebody's trying to hide these from the other guys. They got some D Rose in here. Wow. See what else we can find. Some Adidas. These are Uggs. Oh wow. Alright. The more you know. Oh, there's some more of these in here. I haven't seen these for like 2 years. Let's see what else is in here. What is this? Ooh, this is a nice colorway. The Nike Pegasus. Pretty good colorway. Keep that in the archives. What else we got here? Some of those Puma creepers. What else? Oh, some more Pumas up there hiding. What else is here? Oh no. I'm looking at that line like, nah. I don't care what it is. I might not wait for it. Still not my size, but another Puma. Looking good. These Vans are crazy. That's cool. These ones are probably better. Chicago Blackhawks jersey is pretty damn raw. The colorway, everything. This is nice. Under Armour, what the hell is this? What the hell is this? I don't even know what. Some more Adidas. We always find an Air Monarch every once in a while. Check these out. Got these in right here. Some more RS runners, but still not in my size. Ooh, this leather jacket is Levi's. Oh, you can get rid of the hood. It zips in. How much someone for this? 36?
Hell no.
Sheesh. It's a dope jacket, but Ooh, I think this is a Boise State. I think so. I'm not sure. It's a Nike jacket. It's a really good condition. I was drawn to this Nike Tiger Woods polo. I think this is pretty nice. Check these out. I don't know if it's ripped on purpose, but it looks better that way. I feel like that's how it's supposed to be made. That's what's up. Okay, got some runners in here. Now, is those blinged out in the hood? Alright, let's see, we got some more in here. Bam, some more Nikes. Some more Nike trainers. New Balance over here, some Air Max down there, some Kyrie, there's KD. Kyrie and KD together. It's a sign. What's these? Some more training shoes in there. More Nike training at the bottom. Those are still there. Nice. Anything else in here? My wife loves that color. Cleat game still strong in here. Bunch of soccer cleats, bunch of baseball cleats. Definitely if you need some, stop through because they got a lot of it in here. Look at those Hirachis. Aren't these the most adorable things ever? These Jordan ones? I might just clean them up and give it to somebody. Those are, look at the leopard print. That is cool. Hey, there's some more Pumas in here. Not as good condition as the other ones. Some Nike jump balls. Some more cleats. Let's see what else. This might be full Hans. No. Some Adidas, some Nike runners. Those Air Max again. Anything new? Got these up here. Hey, there's some more Pumas in here. Not as good condition as the other ones. Some Nike jump balls. Some more cleats. Let's see what else. This might be full Hans. Don't know. Some Adidas, some Nike runners. Those Air Max again. Anything new? Got these up here. Hey. I'm the only one who's a sucker for a leather jacket with a red inside. This is nice. What size? H&M. 20 bucks. It's not bad. My wife absolutely loves these. No matter what color she loves. I think she has these in like tan and black. And maybe she has the gray one.
Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.